Welcome to Best Primary Maths. Today lesson about inverse proportion. Okay. At my channel, you will get a easy method to find the primary maths problems. So, if you like this video, then share and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell button because immediately you will get all notification when I upload my new video. Okay. Let us start the lesson. Inverse proportion. Definition of inverse proportion is when two quantities x and y are inversely proportional to each other. Okay, we say that x is inversely proportional to y, or y is inversely proportional to x. Okay, let us start the example. A bus traveling at an average speed of 45 km per hour from Mangalore. It takes 8 hours to reach Bangalore. Okay. The average speed of the bus is 60 km per hour. But how long does it take to reach Bangalore from Bangalore? Okay. Solution. Bus have to go from Bangalore to Bangalore. Okay. The speed is 45 km per hour, but the required time is 8 hours. Okay. The speed is 60 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now we should find out how long does the bus take to reach Bangalore to Mangalore. Okay, let x be the required time. Okay, we should find out required time. Ratio of speed 45 kilometers is to 60 kilometers. Okay, ratio of time 8 hours is to x. Here the speed is increased but the time is decreased. Okay, time is the speed is increased. The speed is increased but time is decreased. So it is an inversely proportion. Okay. At inverse proportion, when writing the equations of these ratios, one must be written in a reciprocal. Okay. Therefore, 5 is to 60 equal to the x is to 8. Here, x is to 8 is to x, reciprocal of ratios. X is to 8. Okay. Reciprocal of 8 is to x is to 8. Okay. 45 is to 60 equal to the x is to 8. Product of extreme terms equal to the product of middle terms. Okay. 60 into middle terms, or 60 into x equal to the extreme terms, or 45 into 8. Okay. X equal to 45 into 8 divided by 60. Okay. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 4s are 32, 4 add 36. Okay. We got a 360 upon 60. Okay. Cancel the 0. 6 1 is 6. 6 6 is 36. Okay. 6 left. value of x is 6. Okay, if the bus traveled if the bus travel 60 kilometer, travels at 60 kilometer per hour from Mangalore to Bangalore, it takes the time 6 hours. Okay, here the speed goes to down, the travel time goes to up, and as speed goes to up, the travel times goes down. Okay, so it is an inverse proportion, example of inverse proportion. Got it? Thank you.